Hello, lovely people. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for tuning in to Viber's Kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made. Today on our menu, we have a simple recipe called cabbage toast. This recipe is amazing and it can sustain you for the rest of the day. If only you are not a foodie, okay? So, without further ado, guys, let's get started. I love this recipe. I love the fact that it's so nutritious, it's full of vegetables, and they are so rich. I love the whole recipe, okay? So if you are interested, please relax as I take you through these simple steps to achieve this amazing breakfast recipe. Let's get started. So first we're going to spread the butter on both sides of the bread, and I'm using only 2 slices of bread for this breakfast recipe. So you can use as many bread slices as you want, depending on the number of people you are making this breakfast for. Okay, we're just toasting the bread. So guys, that's it. This is going to be so amazing. I love it, guys. It's so rich, and you can use any vegetable of your choice, but you can as well use mine. But let cabbage be your main vegetable. Okay. We are only toasting the bread, and very soon, guys, we'll be done toasting this bread. I love the color, it's so golden and it smells so good. This butter is so magical. I love the smell of the butter. Wow, one slice of the bread is done, and we are almost done with the other slice. It's also done, guys. Let me now introduce you to the rest of the ingredients and continue from there. I have my chopped mushrooms, chopped spring onion, my sliced carrots, red bell peppers, red onions, tomatoes, and my green chili. I have also my cabbage, my sandwich cheese. Yes, I have 3 eggs for this recipe. You can use more or less. That's it. And I have my butter to replace my oil. Okay, so I'm cracking my eggs into the measuring jug. And guys, this is going to be so quick, so easy. Okay, so keep watching. I'm now adding all of my vegetables to the egg. And guys, so far, if you're enjoying this video, give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. Okay, if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. I hope you are inspired. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join us and also to get more updates from us. I'm now adding chili, garlic, and salt to our vegetables. Oh my goodness, guys, I love this brand. I love the chili. I love the salt. I love their garlic. That mix there is amazing. And I always love to add to my eggs whenever I'm frying eggs. Guys, now we are using butter for this recipe. As I said, you can use olive oil, coconut oil, any oil of your choice. But I love the taste and smell of this butter. Oh my goodness, it takes my eggs to the next level. Okay. As usual, you add your egg and vegetable mix to your butter or oil, and then you use your spoon, your fork to level it up nicely. Okay, in this video, fellas, I want the shape of my egg to be the same as the shape of my bread. Okay, so now let's check if one side is ready. And guys, yes, we have to flip it right away because it's ready on one side. Oh my goodness, it's so thick, it's so heavy, and it smells so amazing. Look at that. Fellas, so it's time for me to divide the omelette into 2 equal parts so that it will take the shape of my bread. All right. I'm going to use the bread to help me do this. Okay. So the bread is going to serve as the ruler in this case. Okay. So guys, that's it. The bread has done its job and now it's divided into two nicely and perfectly because I don't want any excess omelette to be hanging out whenever I try to sandwich it. Okay, I hope I'm clear here. Pam 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 Ba, 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 ba. Here comes the queen of all omelette. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. It's so thick. It smells amazing. It smells so magical. I'm now adding my cheese, and guys, don't underestimate the things that this omelette can do to your body. It's so heavy and it can sustain you. If only you don't eat too much, it can sustain you for the rest of the day. I'm adding my favorite peri peri mayonnaise, and guys, this is so yum. After one, two, three bites, and you are already full. Where are my foodies? Where are my foodies? Food is served, guys. This is how simple and quick to make an amazing breakfast. And what better it is to enjoy this with your own homemade evaporated milk. Fellas, if you haven't seen the video on how I made the evaporated milk, I will leave the link in the description box below. Check it out for your own convenience. And guys, we are all done. I hope you are inspired by this simple, amazing recipe. Give this a try and bring me the feedback. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here till now. I really appreciate your time and your love. I love you all. Until I see my next video, stay blessed and be safe. Take care. Bye bye. Enjoy and subscribe if you are new.
Thank you for liking my mom's video. Thank you. Mwah.